Hey there, fellow creators. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the latest video editing tricks to make your content stand out. Today, we're tackling something super exciting. How to add a 3D zoom effect in CapCut on your PC, tailored for 2025's cutting-edge trends. If you've been wanting to give your videos that professional, cinematic feel, you're in the right place. This effect can make your footage pop, drawing viewers right into the action. Let's jump straight in. First things first, make sure you have CapCut installed on your PC. If not, head over to the official website and download the latest version. It's free and user-friendly. Once you're all set, open the app and start a new project. Import your video clip by clicking on the Import button and selecting your file from your computer. This is where the magic begins. Now, select the clip you want to apply the 3D zoom to in the timeline. Head over to the Effects panel, usually found on the left or right side of the interface. Type 3D zoom into the search bar. CapCut has a bunch of built-in effects, and this one's a gem for 2025. Once you find it, drag and drop the effect onto your selected clip. Next, customize it to perfection. Double-click the effect to open its settings. You'll see options for zoom intensity, duration, and even direction. Play around with the keyframes to make the zoom smooth and dynamic. Maybe start with a subtle build-up and end with a dramatic pull-in. Don't forget to preview your changes by hitting the play button. This helps you fine-tune without any surprises later. After you're happy with how it looks, export your video. Go to the Export tab, choose your preferred settings like resolution and format, and hit render. Boom! You've just leveled up your editing skills. There you have it, folks. A quick and easy way to add 3D zoom in CapCut on PC. Give it a try on your next project, and watch your engagement soar. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.